Laura is a production manager at Future Car, responsible for overseeing the Future Car convertible line. Watch to see how Stefanini's connected technologies help Laura avoid a production line failure.
Hi, Marcos.
Hi, Laura. How are you?
I just got an alert from Stefanini's IoT-connected sensors that Workstation 76 is low on parts. Can you check if the P696 parts need to be restocked?
Sure, let me take a look. We can't afford production being slowed today by something that could be prevented.
Thanks.
Hello, Laura. This is a status report from SI. The Future Car Convertibles line is on track to produce 3,500 cars this week. This number is on track with production goals.
Thanks, Sophie.
SI also identified and prevented the plant network from shutting down at 3 a.m. this morning. To prevent this issue in the future, SI recommends throttling bandwidth to the plant cafeteria in order to regulate network traffic and minimize bandwidth congestion.
Thanks.